Have you ever wondered how the female reproductive system truly works? From menstrual cycles to ovulation, and from the uterus to the fallopian tubes, understanding female anatomy is essential for health, wellness, and reproductive knowledge. In this video, we're diving deep into female anatomy, exploring every key organ and function in clear, precise detail. The female reproductive system includes the ovaries, uterus, fallopian tubes, and cervix. The ovaries produce eggs and important hormones like estrogen and progesterone, which regulate menstrual cycles and fertility. The fallopian tubes carry the eggs from the ovaries to the uterus, where fertilization may occur. The uterus is a muscular organ that supports reproductive health and menstruation, while the cervix acts as a gateway between the uterus and the lower reproductive tract, playing a crucial role in overall reproductive function. Understanding this anatomy is vital for anyone who wants to learn about human health, biology, and wellness. Subscribe to our channel for more detailed videos about female anatomy, reproductive health, and medical education, and comment below with your thoughts, experiences, or questions. Share this video with friends or family who want to better understand the female body. Knowledge about female anatomy is empowering and can help prevent health issues, improve awareness, and guide better personal care. We'll also explore the menstrual cycle, ovulation, and hormonal changes that occur each month. Did you know that the uterus can expand during reproductive cycles, or that the ovaries release eggs in a structured rhythm? These processes are controlled by a delicate balance of hormones, and understanding them is key to understanding female physiology. From hormonal health to reproductive function, this video provides a comprehensive overview for anyone curious about female anatomy. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the female reproductive system, including how each organ functions, the role of hormones, and how this knowledge can impact health, wellness, and overall well-being. Learning about female anatomy is essential for students, healthcare professionals, and anyone interested in human biology, healthcare, and anatomy for beginners. Remember, understanding the female body is not just academic. It's practical, life-enhancing, and can change how you approach health and wellness. Don't forget to like, comment with your experiences or questions, share with friends, and subscribe for more in-depth educational content.